Let's get to know the Oase AquaMax Eco Classic pump. The pump you see here is the largest in the line, the 3600. There are three smaller Eco Classics, the 1200, 1900, and 2700. They are all solids handling, designed to move fish waste and small debris from the bottom of the pond to an external filter. All share identical features. They are quiet and powerful for their size and wattage, very energy efficient, with large wraparound cages that won't clog easily. All feature replaceable impellers and volutes for long service life, and a grounding plate for safety. The built-in environmental function control stops the pump if run dry or clogged to prevent pump damage, and the motor is also thermally protected against overheating. The Eco Classic pumps are distinguished from the similar Eco Premium line by being slightly less powerful and having a single intake option, where the Eco Premium cage offers dual intake options. All Oase Eco Classic pumps have a 20-foot cord and carry a 3-year warranty. Opening the box, you'll find the instruction manual, safety, and warranty information right on top. Removing the pump reveals the extensive fitting set. Step fittings accommodate multiple sizes of kink-free tubing from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, as well as 1.5 inch and 2 inch Schedule 40 pipe. The Schedule 40 PVC connections are made with an innovative single union that handles both sizes of PVC fittings and tubing, with an 1.5 inch socket by 2 inch spigot on one end and a 2 inch single union on the other. The stepped fitting has a rounded base to allow it to swivel for easy alignment of the tubing. The housing of the pump is open on all sides, even towards the back, to cut down on suction that might trap debris on the screen, and its deep ribbing keeps flat leaves or paper debris from blocking the flow. The pump is not self-priming, so it requires flooded suction, but the cage may be removed for inline external use as long as the pump is set below water level. Remove the 2 screws and unsnap the cage to remove the pump from its housing. Reverse to reinstall the pump in its cage. And that's everything you need to know about the Oase AquaMax Eco Classic pump, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.